Tonight we're learning the state-backed insurance provider Citizens is dealing with nearly 20,000 lawsuits, many due to scams. Tonight, Citizens asking their board of governors for money to fight these lawsuits. ABC Action News in-depth reporter Stasi Almost shows us how these litigation problems are now critically impacting the state's insurer of last resort and ultimately you, the homeowner.
Our policy count as of Friday, June 17th, was 899,642. And I can tell you with confidence that we are over 900,000 by today.
As of this week, 900,000 Floridians have homes insured by Citizens Property Insurance. 75,000 added in just the first 4 months of 2022.
18.5% growth this year. From January 1 already.
Hitting weekly records with 12,000 the first week of June and again in the third week.
We grew by 7,000 policies last week. I looked it up this morning for you.
The company has nearly doubled in 1 year.
We're 43% larger than we were a year ago in June of last year.
Citizens is supposed to be the insurer of last resort, but with 9 property insurance companies in Florida now in liquidation, a 10th cut nearly in half, and dozens of others either leaving, dropping customers, or not writing new business at all, we're learning just how heavy that weight is on Citizens. I went through a report put together by the Claims Committee at Citizens for their Board of Governors asking for more funding. In it, they state that they're getting nearly 1,000 lawsuits a month, totaling 18,500 currently in the courts.
Our litigation volume is up this year. When you look year over year from the same time period, January through April, by about 12%, or about 100 per month. When you look at the average of 970 per month this year versus 870 per month last year.
The report shows Citizens is spending an average of $6.5 million a month on claims legal services contracts. A map shows 75% of lawsuits were filed in the Tri-County area in red. Majority are non-weather water claims like pipes. Citizens says some are valid, but many are contractors taking advantage of the system. The report states that the Central West area of Tampa Bay in orange is seeing a continued rising trend of lawsuits that has been building over the last 2 years. Perhaps the most shocking part of the report, Citizens has seen a 93% increase in assignment of benefits lawsuits, where homeowners have signed over their rights to a contractor or roofer, something lawmakers tried to curb in 2019 and again in May's special session, but we've yet to see any permanent change.
With the new bill that just passed in the special session, there were additional attempts to try to curb assignment of benefit litigation by removing the ability for an assignee, the person who has the assignment, to actually recover fees under the one-way fee statute like consumers have access to under the law.
Lawmakers say it could take up to 1.5 years to see any changes out of special session, but industry experts tell me it may take much longer than that. Reporting in Tampa, I'm in-depth reporter Stasi Almost, ABC Action News.